Hedge fund titan Ray Dalio, the founder of $160 billion Bridgewater Associates, outlined 3 financial recommendations for millennials. 1. Save. The first recommendation is to think about your savings and how much money you have for savings, Dalio said. The best way to think about that is to think, how much money do I spend each month, and how much money do I have saved? How many months am I going to be okay without that? It seems like obvious advice, but it's easily forgotten and taken for granted when the paychecks are coming in. Value savings and calculate it because savings is freedom and security, Dalio stressed. That said, it's important to allocate your savings wisely. 2. Cash is the worst investment. The second thing is, how do I save well? What should I put my savings in? Dalio said, when thinking about what you should put your savings in, realize that the least risk investment that you think from volatility, which is cash, is the worst investment over a period of time. Cash may appear stable, but it actually loses value in a world where inflation is increasing the price of goods and services. Dalio says it's important to think about investing in and saving in the context of inflation and after-tax income. That's why it's essential to not think of cash as a good investment option. You have to move into assets that are going to do better over a period of time, Dalio said. With that in mind, Dalio pointed out that investments that offer better rewards also come with greater risks. The most important thing I can convey to you is to diversify well, because I can guarantee you that one of those assets and you won't be able to pick the right one will be disastrous in your lifetime. You will lose half of that savings if you're in the wrong one, and you won't know what the right one is. And so pick different countries, pick different asset classes. Dalio also takes a nuanced view of debt. When you're thinking about debt, think, is the debt going to help my savings or is it going to produce an income? Sometimes debt, like buying a house or buying an apartment or buying an asset, produces forced savings. Forced savings is a good thing, Dalio said. Or if you're taking on debt and you're thinking, am I going to have that debt in an asset? That asset better produce more income than the cost of your debt. If you're using debt for consumption, that's not a good thing to do, okay? You're giving up that safety. 3. Don't follow your instincts. The third thing is to do the opposite of what your instincts are. If you're going to play the game, it has to be the opposite of what your instincts and what the crowd says, because the market reflects the crowd, he said. So if you want to buy when no one wants to buy, and you want to sell when no one wants to sell, right? And that's emotionally difficult, and probably you're not going to play that game well, because it takes a lot of resources to play. The financial markets often appear to offer obvious and easy investing opportunities. The markets, particularly in the short term, will often do the opposite of what you expect. And if investing were easy, everyone would be rich. With that in mind, Dalio notes that there are players in the markets like hedge funds with extensive resources competing with small-time investors for short-term opportunities. We spend hundreds of millions of dollars each year to try to play that game well, and it's a tough game to play well. So I would caution you about the market timing game, Dalio said. But I would say that if you're going to do it in the ways that are uncomfortable because they're opposite your instincts. Thanks Julia La Roche for help with this report. Thanks for watching. What did you think of this video? Let us know in the comments section below. You can also subscribe for more videos like these in your inbox. Now if you are seeking the latest trends in fashion, and electronics and gifts and more of the coolest things that you never knew existed at the best prices, please feel free to visit www.athismall.com. Once again, that is www.athismall.com. Share this video with your friends and family. Since you're watching, we have a small favor to ask. More people are viewing our videos more than ever, but advertising revenues across the media are falling fast. And unlike many news organizations, we haven't put up a paywall. We want to keep our journalism as open as we can, so you can see why we need to ask for your help. Our videos and reports takes a lot of time, money and hard work to produce. Our investigative reporting uncovers unethical behavior and social injustice that helps to hold governments, companies and individuals to account. Through this we can, together, create meaningful change in the world. We do it because we believe our perspective matters, because it might well be your perspective too. For as little as $1, you can support us. And it only takes a minute. Thank you. Like and share this video on Facebook and Twitter if you agree. Don't forget to support this channel by clicking on the donation link down below and subscribing so you never miss any of our trending reports. What do you think about this video? Scroll down to comment below. Now if you are seeking the truth or guidance or need a prayer request or studies, please visit followyeshua.com at www.followyeshua now.com. Please note that we have changed to a new YouTube channel. The link is in the description box below. Please subscribe to the new channel, as this one will no longer have new videos and reports posted to it anymore.